Welcome to ByteFurther. Today's video is about how to fix when iPhone XS or iPhone XS Max won't turn off or open apps when frozen. When your device screen is frozen, crashed or not responding that won't let you click on anything or open any apps including the Settings app, your best bet would be to turn off or force shut down the phone with buttons. Though, chances are that your iPhone XS Max is not turning off. Here are a few heated discussions about that iPhone XS Max frozen won't turn off from Apple's forum. 1. Press one of the volume keys and power key at the same time to trigger the power off slider menu but it doesn't show up. 2. The shutdown slider appears but you can't swipe the red icon to the right to shut off iPhone XS Max because of the completely unresponsive display. 3. You can drag the power off slider but it only slides halfway and then snaps back to the beginning. 4. Your phone doesn't enable you to use buttons on the side to force turn off iPhone XS Max. You might wonder why iPhone XS Max will not shut off or open apps. Maybe you press the wrong buttons to switch off the smartphone. Maybe the system gets crashed causing your device to get frozen and doesn't respond to the button presses to shut down. Perhaps the side button or volume buttons are broken or the phone display is cracked, preventing your device from powering off as usual. So, how to fix iPhone XS Max not turning off issues? If your device doesn't have cracks, physical damages, or broken buttons, there are 4 ways to turn off your frozen iPhone XS. Refresh the system, and then bring it back to normal status. Method 1 is to power off the device with the right button presses. Commonly, you can't turn off iPhone XS with the power button only. The right way to do a shutdown in iPhone XS or iPhone XS Max is to press and hold volume up or down button and the side button. If everything goes well, iPhone's shutdown menu will pop up. Now, simply move the red power off slider to its right end and your phone will turn off by itself. Do you have a gray circle icon on your device display? If you do, you can use it to power off iPhone XS when frozen. Tap the gray circle, tap Devices, choose More, and tap Restart. When prompted, choose Restart again. Now, your iPhone XS will turn off showing a black screen, and then vibrate and boot up to the home screen. Method 2 is to do a forced shutdown. The display doesn't prompt an icon to turn off or it won't let your swipe to power off the device. You need to force turn off your iPhone XS Max when screen is frozen and you can't open apps. All you need to do is to make button press combinations and the phone will unfreeze and turn off by itself. Quick press the volume up button and release. Quick press the volume down button and release. Press and keep holding the power button. Your phone will power down and show a black screen. When you see an Apple logo showing up above the black screen, let go of the power button. Now, your device turns back on and responds to touch normally. Method 3 is to do an iOS update. Installing a completely new and latest iOS software on your iPhone XS Max is also a good way to clear out the bugs that stop your device from turning off or opening apps. Here's how to update and fix a frozen iPhone XS Max that won't turn off or open apps. Plug a USB cable into your device and connect the cable to the USB port to a computer. Then, run iTunes or Finder. If you don't have this software, make sure to download them first. Next, put your iPhone X into recovery mode. It's a useful method officially introduced by Apple, which iPhone or iPad users can use to fix most iOS issues even when the device is frozen or unresponsive by doing an update or factory reset. And we'll try to update the system first. It won't delete the data and content that you've saved on your phone. Here's how to do that. Quick press the volume up button, and the volume down button, and keep holding the power button. Keep holding the button even when you see the Apple logo. Now, let go of the button when you see the recovery mode screen, showing a USB cable connect to computer icon. Go back to the computer and you'll see a message popping up from iTunes or Finder. It asks whether you'd like to update or restore your not powering off iPhone XS Max. Click Update option and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update process. Depending on your computer's internet speed, the process may take 1 to 3 hours. After that, your iPhone XS Max shuts off and will reboot automatically to the lock screen. Method 4 is to do a factory reset. This is the last step you can try to shut down an iPhone XS Max when it freezes and won't open apps as it'll delete everything on your phone. Here's what you need to do. Connect your iPhone XS Max to a computer and open iTunes or Finder. Next, put the phone into recovery mode. quick press the volume up button, and the volume down button, and keep holding the power button until you see the recovery mode screen, showing a USB cable connect to computer icon. Go back to the computer and you will get a message to update or restore your iPhone X. Now, click on the restore option and finish the on-screen steps. Then, it'll start resetting your unresponsive device and reinstalling the software into it. Alright. If the iPhone XS Max not shutting off issues is due to faulty software, all the methods above are enough to help you fix up the device. If none of them works and your device is still frozen and won't turn off or reset, you should book an appointment in an Apple repair center near you to examine the hardware. It could be not working buttons, a loosened or cracked screen, damaged device internal components, and so on. That's all you can do when your iPhone X won't turn off. Hope this video can help you turn off the frozen device. If it does, please give it a thumbs up and share it via Facebook, Twitter, and so on to help others in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the ByteFurther channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.